Good morning, students. Here, Mrs. Neelam Jain from SKM Public School. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 6, that is triangle and its properties. Today, you are going to learn about new property here of triangle. That property is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. कि किसी भी जो कोई भी ट्राइंगल है, this is triangle, okay, this is triangle, and here the sum of the lengths of any two sides, if I will add the length of this side and this side, and that total of these two sides will be greater than this side, okay, will be greater than this side, okay. Suppose here this length is, in all the cases we will verify it in all the cases by taking any other two sides, and the sum of these two sides will be greater than this side. The sum of this and this side and this side will be greater than this side, okay. So in all the cases we will verify कि the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, okay. So this is the one of the property of triangle कि किसी भी ट्राइंगल की कोई भी दो साइड का जो टोटल है वो हमेशा बड़ा होता है तीसरी साइड से, ठीक है. तो कोई भी ट्राइंगल की दो साइड्स का जब उसको मेजर करके दोनों साइड्स को टोटल करेंगे तो वो टोटल ग्रेटर होगा, बड़ा होगा तीसरी साइड से, ओके. सो आई थिंक यू हैव गॉट इट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट हियर एक्सरसाइज. Here question exercise 6.4. This is totally based on this property. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay, I think it's clear to you. Yes, very good. It's clear to you. Very good. So questions are there. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? The sides are 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. Okay, for your convenience you can draw a triangle. Suppose in this way it is 7, it is 6, and it is 3 centimeter. Okay, so here we are going to prove कि these here 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, with these sides, with these lengths, is it possible to have a triangle? क्या ट्राइंगल बन सकती है इन तीनों मेजरमेंट से? तो तीनों साइड्स हमें दी हुई है ट्राइंगल की. सो हमने एक रफ स्केच बना लिया इसको, ठीक है. तो इन ऑल द केसेस वी जस्ट we will state the property here. First of all, while solving this sum, first of all the property should be known to us, okay. The property should be clear to us. Which property here we are going to follow, and that's why we have to state that particular property. We have to write that, okay. Some students they don't write, they just forget to write the properties, okay. So whenever these types of sum are there, and whatever property of triangle or whatever property is applicable here, you have to write that, okay. So here for this solution, the sum of, we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Because a triangle has three sides, a polygon, a closed here polygon made up of 3 line segments. So here measurements are 3 and 6. So 3 plus 6, it should be greater than third side. 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. So when you will add 3 and 6, it is 9 centimeter. So 9 centimeter is greater than 7 centimeter. Here, it's true in this case. Okay. I have taken 3 and 6. Okay. Total of 3 and 6. Now you can take total of 6 and 7. Total of 6 and 7. So now 6 plus 7 centimeter, it should be greater than 3 centimeter. Okay. So 6 plus 3, it is 13 centimeter is greater than 3 centimeter. So it's true. 13 centimeter is greater than 3 centimeter. Now we are going to take this side and this side. 7 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Now 7 plus 3 centimeter. It should be greater than the sum of these two sides should be greater than third side, that is 6 centimeter. So it is 10 centimeter should be greater than 6 centimeter. Okay. So it should happen in all the cases. If in two cases it is greater, and in the third case, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is if less than the third side, then it's not possible to have a triangle with the given sides. It should happen in all the cases. The sum of any two sides of a triangle should always be greater than the third side. Okay, hope it's clear to you. In all the cases it should happen. Here 9 centimeter is greater than 7 centimeter. 13 centimeter is greater than 3 centimeter. Here 10 centimeter is greater than 6 centimeter. If in one of the case it is not greater than the third side, then you will say it's not possible to have the triangle with the given sides. Okay, it should be applicable in all the cases. The sum of any two sides of a triangle should always be greater than the third side. So the other parts you will solve yourself. Okay, I hope this property is clear to you. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay, I think clear to you. Now next question is, here you are given, you can look at the book, page number here 126. Question number 2 of exercise 6.4. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. PQR. So first of all, you have to draw this triangle also. Okay. So draw this triangle. Hurry up. You can draw this triangle. Triangle is PQR. Okay. So O is in the interior of the, and we are going to prove कि OP plus OQ is greater than PQ, means the sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side or not. So let's first of all draw a triangle PQR. Okay, triangle PQR. Question number, this is 2. You will also draw the triangle with the help of, yes, scale and pencil. Don't draw these symmetrical figures with the help of pen. Okay, you have to draw with pencil only, with scale, pencil. Okay, try to make your work nice. Okay, excellent. Do by heart. Everything you have to do by heart. Only then you can learn very well. Okay, so PQR. Triangle is in this type. Question number 2. PQR. And O is the point of in the interior. Interior means inside the triangle. So, here, first of all, some construction part will be there. in that you will write construction. Join OR, OQ and OP. So you have to write construction here. So for solution, construction means whatever we do from our own side. So you have to join OR. You can draw a dotted line or OR, OP and OQ. OQ. Okay. So students, when you join OP, OQ and OR. Okay. So when you join these points, you find if this triangle PQR, here we are having three triangles. Triangle POQ, triangle QOR, triangle ROP. Okay. So now we are having three triangles, and in these three triangles, first if we check, so in triangle POQ, in triangle POQ, again this property you have to write, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle should always be greater than the third side. It should be greater than the third side. So in this triangle, OP plus OQ should be greater than PQ. Should be greater than PQ. So OP, the sum of the two lengths of a triangle should be greater than PQ. So in this case, is OP plus OQ greater than PQ? So what will you write here? You will say yes. You will say yes. Then now in the next triangle, you will take triangle QOR. Okay. Now you will take this triangle QOR. This triangle QOR. So in this, what will you write? Yes. So now in triangle QOR, so these two sides OQ plus OR should be greater than RQ. OQ plus OR should be greater than RQ. So OQ plus OR should be greater than QR. So it is also yes. And in third triangle, in triangle ROP. Now this third triangle will be taken ROP. So in triangle ROP. Here this property should be written here, okay? The sum of the lengths of any two sides is always greater than, or either you can write here also, when you are making two sides greater than the third side. So we know that the sum of any two lengths of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay. So in triangle ROP, so OP plus OR should be greater than PR. OP plus OR should be greater than PR. So this is also yes. This property you have to state after construction. Okay. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle, that is always greater than the third side. So this is the property, one of the property, and you have to solve the questions, remaining questions based on this property. Okay. And you will complete question number 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6. Exercise 6.4 based on this. Our exercise 6.4 homework. Question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 is also there. Students, in question number 3, AM is a median of a triangle ABC. I am just giving hints. So here you will find E is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Here in this question you will find key there are two triangles. Triangle, which one? Triangle ABM. ABM. In triangle ABM. Okay. In triangle ABM, AB plus BM will be greater than AM. Then you will take triangle AMC. In that you will find ki AC plus BM is greater than AM. Since AM is median, so it is dividing the opposite side BC into two equal parts. So BM will be is equal to MC. Okay, BM will be is equal to MC, and total of this will be BM plus MC will be is equal to BC. When you will add both, and you will find ki AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Here that median property that will be also followed. Ki a median of a triangle always divides the opposite sides into two equal parts. Okay. So I have just a hint, and you have to complete this exercise 6.4. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6 is homework for you. Our students, till then. Until then, stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. Thank you. Thank you. And try to complete your work on time. Okay. God bless all of us. Thank you.